There are moments in life when we feel unsure, confused, or simply stuck, whether we're facing a major decision or just trying to make it through the day. One truth remains steady: God offers to guide us. One of the most beloved scripture is found in Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. This verse isn't just a gentle reminder, it's a promise. Let's break it down. First, trust in the Lord with all your heart. This means letting go of the need to control every outcome. Trusting God fully requires surrendering our fears, doubts, and the desire to figure everything out on our control. And two, lean not on your own understanding. Our perspective is limited. What looks uncertain or impossible to us is fully clear to God. He sees the full picture, and his ways are higher than ours. Isaiah chapter 55 verse 9. And three, in all your ways submit to him. This calls us to invite God into our every area of our life, our work, relationships, plans, and even our struggles. Submitting doesn't mean giving up. It means aligning our heart with his will. And number four, and he will make your paths straight. God promises direction when we trust him. The path may not be easy or always make sense in the moment, but it will lead to peace, purpose, and his perfect plan for us. If you're in season where the next step isn't clear, pause and pray. Let this verse be your reminder that you don't have to figure it all out. God is already ahead of you, preparing the way. All He asks is your trust. Thank you for watching.